Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. This is a nose hair trimmer. So let's check this out and see how it works and see how it looks. So it looks like it's rechargeable. So it comes with a USB to, looks like USB-C. Comes with a little brush to brush out, I guess, the extra hairs that get in there. Got the little instruction manual. And here is the device. Comes in nice, got a little cover on it. I think, yep, there we go. And so that's what it looks like here. So, it comes charged. Oh, it has a 93, so I guess it's 93% charged. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll just try it on my thing. Well, I hear it's working, so it seems to be working. It seems to go pretty quick. I had one of these things, and for some reason, it just started going really slow, so I needed another one. So, figured I'd get this one here. Kind of neat, pretty easy to take with me. I can stick it in my bag, so I can take it on the go. So, I already did my nose, but so it'll keep it nice and clean. So kind of cool. I guess you can use it for your ears too. I don't think I have any ear hairs right now either. I got it all cleaned up. But there we go. So this is it here. So it's got a nice little cap. I guess the button, you don't want to push it too much by mistake, but let's see, anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box. So this is it here. It is, I guess, 1,000. I guess it's 1,000 RPMs is probably what it's doing. But pretty cool, and it just connects up through there, so it's very cool, nice little thing. Let's see if there's anything else it says about it. Just says portable, comfortable. Seems good, so I like it. Thumbs up. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.